Hello, welcome to Williams Crawford, and today we're going to have a look at this beautiful Ferrari 328 GTS. As you can see, it's in a Rosso Corsa with the Crema inside and the Rosso carpets. It's a non-ABS model, and you can recognise that with the different shape of the wheels. It's a more attractive car in most people's opinion. So this is a GTS, and it is a beautiful example. It has very low mileage and is a genuine UK supplied right-hand drive car. Black leather dashboard, cream seats and the red carpets with red overmats. And although from 88, the lines and design of this car continue to impress. It is a beautiful looking car, a real piece of automotive art. Along with this one, we have the original tools, Ferrari car cover, the battery charger, and the complete book pack, a brochure from new, and all the service, maintenance and MOT history, all beautifully laid out in two separate folders. There's barely a mark to be seen on this car. I'd say it's without any marks, but no doubt there is something that I've missed. It's done very little mileage in the last 10 years really, but it's been regularly serviced and was last serviced by Ferrari in June 19 at 27,424 miles. The last owners had it for 6 years and has always been back to Ferrari every year, irrespective of the mileage covered. In previous years, it's been with a range of Ferrari dealers and specialists in a traditional way, but all well recognised and respected names. It's had really nice maintenance. If you're looking for one that's in a really exceptional condition, then this one has a lot to offer. It's the right colour, it's the right condition, it's got the right history, and I think the right model as well. It's here for sale at Williams Crawford. We can deliver it nationwide. We can do detailed videos or pictures, whatever it is that you like. Don't worry about the distance. Think more about getting the right car, and then we'll look after you.